This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have access and permission. Begin by opening the device settings or the screen time app. Tap into the account you will monitor and choose the current device or family member profile. Once done, set the date range you want to review and enable activity reporting if it's off. Make sure to turn on app category tracking and notifications so data is recorded. This initiates the first capture of usage patterns and prepares you to analyze real behavior rather than guesses. Open the detailed view to inspect per app and per category totals, look for spikes and consistent high-use items. Note pickups and longest session lengths to understand context. Frequent short pickups differ from long continuous sessions. Once you identify the top apps, compare them to your targets and rules you set earlier. Prioritize apps that steal focus or exceed limits. Make a simple list of changes, blocking, limiting, or substituting apps, and export or save screenshots for trend tracking and follow-up. Now implement concrete controls. Apply app timers, enforce downtime windows, or schedule focus modes. After you set limits, test by opening an app near its threshold so you can confirm enforcement. Communicate changes to the user to avoid confusion and reduce resistance. If the screen time data or limits don't appear, sync accounts, install updates, or re-enable permissions. Sometimes rebooting the device resolves reporting gaps. Finally, plan a follow-up check-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.